What's going on, everyone? Flip, and today's deep dive is all about AI-generated content detection and its implications for scraping and 20. I'm going to walk you through everything step by step, so by the end of this, you'll have a really solid understanding. Let's go. As AI-generated content floods the internet, web scrapers face a new challenge, distinguishing AI-written text from human-created content. This guide explores how AI content detection works, why it matters for data collection, and how to build detection into your scraping pipelines. Let's start with the current landscape. AI content generation has exploded since 2023 with tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and open source models producing text indistinguishable from human writing at first glance. Estimates suggest 10 to 30% of new web content in 2026 is AI generated. For scrapers collecting training data, research data sets, or competitive intelligence, this creates a data quality problem. Now let's talk about how AI content detection works. Detection tools use several approaches. Statistical analysis looks at patterns in word choice, sentence structure, and text entropy that differ between human and AI writing. Perplexity scoring measures how predictable text is, where AI text tends to be more predictable and uniform than human writing. Watermark detection identifies hidden patterns that some AI providers embed in their outputs. Classifier models are machine learning models trained to distinguish AI from human text. And stylometric analysis examines writing style patterns that differ between human and AI authors. Here are the major detection tools available in 20. GPTZero is widely used in education with a free tier available. Originality.ai is designed for content publishers and SEO professionals. CopyLeaks offers enterprise-grade detection with API access, and Sapling is an AI content detector with browser extension support. Now, why does this matter for web scraping? The implications are significant across several areas. For training data collection, AI models trained on AI-generated text can develop feedback loops that degrade output quality. This is known as model collapse, where each generation of AI trained on the previous generation's output produces progressively worse results. Detecting and filtering AI content from training datasets is becoming essential. For market research and competitive intelligence, if you're scraping competitor blogs, product descriptions, or reviews, knowing whether content is AI-generated affects how you interpret it. AI-generated product reviews may not reflect real user experiences. AI-written blog posts may contain hallucinated facts and statistics. For SEO monitoring, Google has stated that AI-generated content is not inherently penalized, but low-quality AI content may be. Tracking which competitor pages use AI content helps predict potential ranking changes. For academic and research scraping, researchers collecting web data for studies need to account for AI-generated content in their methodology and findings. Let's talk about building detection into your scraping pipeline. The approach involves several steps. First, scrape content as normal using your existing infrastructure. Second, run detection on scraped text using one or more detection APIs. Third, score and label each piece of content with its AI probability. Fourth, filter or flag content based on your quality requirements. And fifth, store detection metadata alongside the scraped content for future reference. There are important limitations and considerations to keep in mind. Detection accuracy is imperfect, with even the best tools having false positive rates of 5 to 15%. AI text that has been edited by humans is much harder to detect. Shorter texts under 200 words are less reliably classified. Detection tools may be biased against non-native English writers, sometimes flagging their writing as AI-generated. And as AI models improve, detection becomes increasingly difficult. Now for some frequently asked questions. How accurate are AI content detectors? Current detectors achieve 80 to 95% accuracy on longer text over 500 words. Accuracy drops significantly on shorter text, edited AI content, or content from newer AI models. No detector is 100% reliable. Should I filter all AI content from my scraped data? Not necessarily. The decision depends on your use case. For AI training data, filtering is important to prevent model collapse. For market research, labeling AI content is more useful than removing it. For general data collection, AI content may be perfectly acceptable. Can websites detect that I'm scanning for AI content? Running AI detection is a post-processing step on already scraped content. It does not involve additional requests to the target website, so it's undetectable by the source site. Alright, that's everything for today on AI-generated content detection and implications for scraping. We covered a lot of ground, and I really hope this gives you the foundation you need to move forward confidently. Don't forget to check out our other guides at dataresearchtools.com for more in-depth content on related topics. Until next time, take care and happy browsing.